Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to your Wise account. So first thing that you've got to do is open up your Wise app. And there are actually two things that you want to remember if you want to link a bank account. So first thing is, do you want to use your bank account as a recipient to the money that you're going to be receiving on Wise? So for example, if you want to withdraw funds from Wise to your bank account, there's a different process for that. That means that your bank account is a recipient. And the second would be if your bank account is a payment method to any transaction that you'd be doing on Wise. So once you're on the Wise app, if you're talking about adding your bank account as a recipient, all you got to do is go to the recipients tab down here, and then it'll show you all the existing recipients that you already have. But if you want to add more, just click on add a recipient and then select the currency. So for this one, we're going to select our current currency, and it'll ask you if you want to search Wise for this person or enter the bank details. So just click on enter the bank details. And from here, it'll ask if it's going to be yourself or someone else or a business. We're just going to select myself since this is our bank account. And then it'll ask you for your bank details. So just make sure to put in your full account name and then select the bank from the options that will show up here. And once you've selected the bank, it'll actually ask you for other information like bank account number or IBN numbers. And after that, it'll also ask you for the account number. Once you're done with that, just click on continue and the bank account will be successfully added to your Wise account as a recipient. Now let's go back to the home page. On the other hand, if you want to use your bank account as a payment method for payments that you're going to be using to transfer out from your Wise account to transfer to another person, just click on your profile right here. Scroll down to the bottom where it says payment methods. And from here, it'll show you your saved bank cards. Or if you are in that country where bank accounts are allowed to be stored, it'll also show you your saved banking information. So just click on that, and then it'll ask you for the same bank account information that we provided earlier. And once you have added that, you'll now be able to select that bank account as a payment method whenever you're going to be sending money to people within Wise or adding money to your own account from your local bank account. And that's how easy it is to link your bank account number to your Wise account.